Never leave your home without doing this. Before you step into the world, align your mind, your spirit, your direction. Because without guidance, even the strongest lose their way. When you go out to work, say this: Lord, if your presence does not go with me, do not let me go. Not as a ritual, but as a decision to walk with purpose, to move with protection, to act with clarity. Because when God walks with you, no obstacle is too great, no enemy too strong, and no day too heavy to carry. You don't face life alone. You move with something greater. And here comes the most important part. It's not about where you go. It's about who goes with you. Walk with God, and you'll always find your way back with peace, strength, and victory.